Hindi lamang ang Bini members ang naglabas ng statement kaugnay sa isyong kinasasangkutan nila Stacy, Joanna at Colette. Dahil maging ang dalawang kasamang mga lalaki ng tatlo na sina Ethan David at Sean Castro ay humingi din ng paumanhin sa eskandalong kinasangkutan nila. Sa pamamagitan ng kanyang social media, humingi ng tawad si Sean Castro sa publiko. Sa kanyang nilabas na statement, nilinaw nitong wala umanong menor de edad na sangkot sa biruan nilang magkakaibigan. Dahil sa pagiging komportable umano nila sa isa't isa ay hindi na nila naiisip ang kanilang mga biro. Hello everyone! First of all, we would like to apologize for the video circulating around. We apologize to everyone who got offended, triggered, or hurt in the actions seen in the said video. We can assure you that no minor or anyone was hurt physically, mentally, sexually, or in any manner. That short video was taken out of context. We do not promote those actions in any matter. Inaamin po namin na mali kami in so many ways with that joke. Masyado po kaming naging komportable at masaya sa mga ginagawa, sinasabi namin. Hindi po magandang biro yon, especially sa kung paano siya nakita sa nasabing video. Maraming salamat sa pagsabi ng aming mga pagkakamali at aware na po kami sa lahat ng ito. Natuto na po kami sa mga ito at hindi na po ito mauulit. Alam din po namin na hindi ito maliit na issue kaya we take accountability and responsibility for everything that was done. Muli, salamat po at sorry again for everything. Sean. Samantala, sa pamamagitan naman ng management na Viva Artists ay naglabas din ng statement si Ethan David. Katulad ng mga sinabi ng Bini at ni Sean ay inaako din ito ang kanyang pagkakamali. Yesterday, a video was uploaded featuring myself with a group of people. In that video, I was shown making certain crude motions as a joke towards another person and laughing about it. I want to begin by saying that I take full responsibility for my actions and sincerely apologize to unnecessary gestures I made. I understand how offensive my actions appeared, and as a person who wants to show only the best of myself, I let everyone down. Humihingi po ako ng kapatawaran sa mga nasaktan at na-disappoint sa akin. Nais ko pong ipahayag na malaki po ang respeto ko sa lahat ng tao, lalong-lalo na sa kababaihan. At anumang napakita kong kamalian sa kumalat na video ay hindi po sumasasalamin sa mga pinahalagaan ko bilang tao. Hinding-hindi po ito mauulit. Once again, I sincerely apologize for what happened. I also want to thank everyone for pointing out the ways I can improve. I promise to take the time to educate myself about my behavior and further reflect on my character in order to learn from this incident and to become a more sensitive, respectful, and mature person. Ethan David. Naglabas din ng statement ang ina ni Ethan David at tulad ng ibang magulang, ipinagtanggol nito ang kanyang anak. Hello, I am Ethan David's mom. Ethan and I have discussed the recent situation and I want to be absolutely clear. He has never engaged in any relationships involving minors and has always stood firmly against such behavior, especially concerning serious matters like grooming and SA. The speculation surrounding this is deeply upsetting for him, as he has consistently condemned such acts. Unfortunately, the video has been taken out of context. I hope this statement helped clarify any concerns. At the same time, my son acknowledges his actions and deeply regrets any unintended consequences. I sincerely hope the public will allow him the space to reflect and grow from this experience. Thank you so much. Apology ba to o script ng Gaslighting 101? Kami po ay humihingi ng tawad pero may kasunod agad na the video was taken out of context, so kasalanan pa ng camera. And the best part, wala pong nasaktan physically, mentally, sexually. Talaga namang buti na lang kayo ang nag-declare niyan kasi obviously kayo rin ang expert sa kung ano ang hindi offensive. Tawa-tawa lang, naging too comfortable. Ah yes, the classic. We're just joking. Defense ang problema kasi you're not joking about spilled milk, you're joking about something that screams grooming and assault. And now gusto nyo ng sympathy at forgiveness? Accountability isn't about saying sorry when you're caught. It's about not doing that BS in the first place. So no, this isn't awareness. This is damage control dressed up as humility. Oo, masama at mali yung ginawa niya. Pero tama ba yung ginagawa niyo ngayon? Those people who are bashing Ethan because of what he did, are you guys perfect? He already apologized, right? Kung hindi pa rin kayo satisfied sa pag-apologize niya, tumahimik na lang kayo, hindi yung kung ano-ano pang sasabihin nyo. Guys, wake up. Tao rin siya, nasasaktan din siya. Sa nasaktan niya tayo, especially tayo mga babae, about sa grooming at SA. He already apologized you. Guys, just give him second chance. At kung ayaw nyo pa rin, then shut up. Hindi kayo pinipilit. Bakit kung tayo ba nasa posisyon niya, ganun diba, masasaktin tayo. Hindi natin alam what he is going through. God is the only one who have the right na hatulan siya. Tayo, so please always spread love, not hate. Let him face the consequences of what they did, and what they did was really wrong. Let's tell them without criticizing them. We're all disappointed by their actions, but instead of bashing them, why don't we just tell them what they did was wrong? Why do we have to laugh at them or give them hurtful words just so they know they are wrong? Yes, sorry is not enough for what they did, but who are we to judge people? God is the only one who have the right to judge us.